So, and when you open it up, this is all stuff I had to do, learn how to use a program. The design is here as well. It talks about the different animals. So this guy is a fast. So here you go. This chicken is a fast-talking chicken. Is all squawk, all speed, and the idea is that each of these animals is their own character, right?
So the chicken's name is what?
Gosh, I have to go.
Mr. Cluckins.
I think it's Chuckles.
Chuckles, the clucking chicken.
So I have to go back and look and see, right?